Welcome to the top best. The best yeast infection treatment is probably one of the most common yet often misunderstood health concerns for many people. These infections, caused by an overgrowth of the Candida fungus, can bring about uncomfortable symptoms that disrupt daily life. In this video, we'll explore effective treatment options, from over-the-counter remedies to prescription medications, helping you find relief and regain your comfort. Number 5. Monistat 1-Day Yeast Infection Treatment Kit. Are you experiencing the discomfort of a yeast infection? This product is designed to cure most yeast infections and alleviate symptoms. It helps to reduce external irritation, itching, discharge, soreness, redness, and overall discomfort. This kit includes everything you need for effective treatment. It contains a vaginal applicator with a 1,200 mg miconazole nitrate ovule insert and an anti-itch fungal cream for external use. This provides a comprehensive solution for your needs. The included anti-itch cream offers fast relief. It's specially formulated to cool and soothe irritated skin, providing immediate comfort. This cream is an effective solution for external itching. This treatment works quickly to provide relief. It works 4 times faster than the leading prescription pill. You can experience relief from symptoms sooner with this product. This is the #1 gynecologist recommended brand. It is a trusted over-the-counter vaginal antifungal treatment. You can rely on this product for effective relief. What we like. This treatment offers rapid relief, perfect if you need quick symptom resolution. It also includes an external anti-itch cream, providing comprehensive comfort. If you're looking for a trusted brand, this is the #1 gynecologist recommended choice, making it a reliable option for many. What people say. I tried the Monistat 1-Day vaginal suppositories with clotrimazole and was impressed by how quick and effective they were. The application is simple, it comes with an applicator, and I experienced no irritation. Relief from itching and burning started within hours. Number 4. AZO Yeast Plus Dual Relief Tablets. Are you experiencing the discomfort of a yeast infection? This product offers dual relief. It combines relief for both yeast infection and other vaginal symptoms in one convenient pill. Itching and burning can be incredibly bothersome. This product is designed to provide relief from these common symptoms. It helps you get back to feeling comfortable. Dealing with discharge and odor can be embarrassing. This product's unique formula addresses these issues. It helps to alleviate these symptoms, restoring your confidence. This product is a multi-benefit formula for vaginal and yeast infection symptom relief. It tackles multiple symptoms at once. It's a comprehensive solution for your needs. The ingredients are recognized by the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of the United States. This product stimulates your body's natural defenses. It helps restore balance. What we like. This product stands out with its dual-action formula, addressing both yeast infection and other vaginal symptoms. The convenience of a single pill makes it easy to manage. If you experience multiple symptoms like odor and discharge, this is a great choice for comprehensive relief. What people say. Have been using this for years and works great. AZO Yeast Plus Dual Relief Tablets work great for me. I take them with some cranberry juice, and they really help relieve the symptoms. Never thought it will really work, but because I didn't find another product online, I decided to order it. But then after the second day had less problems than before, and now after 6 days of using it I am almost without any symptoms. Number 3. Monistat 7-Day Yeast Infection Treatment. Are you experiencing the discomfort of a yeast infection? This treatment from Monistat is designed to cure most yeast infections and alleviate symptoms. It may even be safe for those who are pregnant or have diabetes. This kit includes 7 disposable vaginal applicators pre-filled with 100 mg of miconazole cream. It provides everything you need for effective treatment. The cream is clinically proven to cure yeast infections at the source. Each dose contains 100 mg of miconazole nitrate, ensuring effective relief. Monistat provides treatment for women experiencing yeast infection symptoms 4 times faster than the leading prescription pill. Get relief quickly with this trusted solution. Monistat is the #1 gynecologist recommended brand in the over-the-counter vaginal antifungal category in the U.S. Trust the brand that healthcare professionals recommend. Monistat offers various treatment options, including 1-day, 3-day, and 7-day options. Choose the strength that best suits your needs. The product is ultra slim, easy to use and carry. It is a convenient solution for women. What we like. This option provides a longer, more gradual treatment with its 7-day cream application. The cream-based formula is clinically proven to cure yeast infections. If you prefer a gentler approach, or if you are pregnant or diabetic, this is a suitable choice. What people say. Perfect symptoms cleared immediately. Night 3, there's no itching or burning after insertion. Also, I'm feeling a lot better down there. Discharge seems to be clearing up. Less discomfort. Better smell. The color of my discharge is becoming better. The following day my discharge was really thin and watery, which for me is good because before I started this treatment it was thick, clumpy, you know, the typical yeast infection discharge. It smelled very neutral, like water. So far so good. It does work and is a little messy, but it does the job. Number 2. Vagistat 1-Day Yeast Infection Treatment. Are you suffering from a vaginal yeast infection? This product offers convenient relief with a single dose. It's a fast and effective solution to get you back to feeling like yourself. This treatment is designed for easy use. It cures most vaginal yeast infections with just one application. It's a simple and straightforward process. The product contains an effective antifungal ointment. It helps to relieve external itching and irritation. This will help you feel more comfortable. It comes with a pre-filled, no-touch applicator. This makes the application clean and easy. Just insert the entire contents at bedtime. This product contains the same effective ingredient as Monistat. It provides the same relief, often at a lower cost. It's a smart choice for your health. Before using this product, please read the enclosed leaflet. It contains complete directions and important information. Make sure you understand how to use it correctly. What we like. This treatment offers the convenience of a single dose, making it ideal for those seeking a quick solution. The no-touch applicator ensures hygienic application. If you are looking for a fast and easy treatment, you should consider this. What people say. This treatment is more effective for me, and after the night insert and the burning is over, you feel the relief by morning. Easy to use. Effective. But it did provide next morning relief for sure. Number 1. Natural homeopathic BV treatment for women. Are you experiencing discomfort from bacterial vaginosis? This all-natural treatment offers powerful support. It addresses odor, itching, and discharge, promoting a healthy pH balance. Crafted with a natural, homeopathic approach, this formula combats unpleasant symptoms. It's a gentle yet effective solution for feminine care, designed to provide relief. This product provides relief from itching, irritation, and discomfort. It helps balance the vaginal microbiota and supports a healthy pH, improving overall well-being. Convenient and hygienic, the pre-filled applicators ensure easy application. They provide targeted relief from BV symptoms, making feminine care simple and effective. This treatment offers a natural, holistic alternative for bacterial vaginosis. It's free from synthetic additives and harsh chemicals, promoting vaginal health and balance. What we like. This product provides a natural, homeopathic approach to treating bacterial vaginosis. It effectively addresses symptoms like odor, itching, and discharge. If you prefer a natural solution with easy-to-use pre-filled applicators, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Love it. As someone who gets BV a lot, this has worked for me. I see a change in 24 to 48 hours. It's something natural that works for me. Ease of application. I was honestly surprised how fast this worked. Noticed relief in just 2 days. The applicators are super easy to use, and the formula is very gentle, with no irritation at all. It really helped with odor, itching, and discomfort. I love that it's natural and homeopathic too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.